Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manuela if you're new here. So this vlog is going to be a week in my life. Today is Saturday and I've got a photo shoot. The theme of the photo shoot is boss, so we have to wear whatever makes us feel like a boss. The hair, I've just done a half up half down look, and for my makeup I did my everyday makeup look with some eyeliner. However, my eyeliner is running out literally. I had to use mascara, I had to dip it in mascara and finish it up. Also, the bathroom has the best lighting, so you're going to see me here a lot. What I'm wearing, I've got this white rib top from I don't know where. This khaki blazer is from Topshop, and these black trousers H&M, and my boots are also from H&M. That's the OTT. Oh, the shoes are in the vlog. Oh yeah. Do you want to be in my vlog?
Go on.
Hey. This is Tanasha.
Hi, this is Tanasha.
We're doing photographer.
Actually, no, don't shout out to it, man.
Oh. Come on, focus. Yeah, that's right.
Where my baby girl? Where my boo? Where? Okay. Where? Ah!
I know you want me. Every day, not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see, you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, it's in my stand up, baby. Tell me, do you want me on top? Oh yeah. So let me show you. I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you, mold you, slow, just split you in half. I just wanna love when you trust and you honor you. Please do the same on your part. Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience.
Hi guys, I'm in the kitchen right now. I am gonna cook some dinner. Got my speaker, I'm gonna listen to a podcast or listen to some music. So yeah, enjoy guys. Here we go, I'm gonna listen to Cleo Soul's new album. Right now, my plants are moving a bit mad. They're all getting crispy. This is my first time being a plant mum. So, can someone explain what's going on here? Is this due to overwatering? Too much in the sun? But this plant here, I know is meant to be in direct sunlight. What have I been doing? Leave it on the windowsill. That's so sad. So I'm gonna have to just throw these bits away. This one is also droopy, Calithea orbifolia. So she is a bit droopy. I mean, she's doing well on this side, but this side is a bit droopy. So I'm just gonna cut off any bits that are falling off. This part here, it needs to go. Out of all my plants, this one's the most dramatic. I'll be feeding her water and she'll be drooping, and she's fine. If you haven't seen my previous vlog, go check it out. I basically showed you how the plants were looking originally when I got them in the big plant sale. But I managed to find little vases for them. I got them on Amazon. It did take me a while because I couldn't find the size. But basically what I'm doing is taking the plant out of the little pot, making sure there's no excess water in the pot, just because this plant in particular doesn't like bottom watering. Another important thing to remember is to use filtered water. I didn't realize how much not using filtered water was affecting my plants. So hope you're having a good weekend. I'm trying my best to be on top of this YouTube thing. It is difficult because in my head I've got obstacles saying like, oh, your videos aren't going to be as fun because you're not really outdoors much. But the reality of it is I'm working a 9 to 5. I'm exhausted. Anytime that I do have the camera out is because I just want to talk to you guys, and yeah, like this is the best I can do for now, so I'm gonna do that. And I'm not gonna push myself to the point where if I'm exhausted I'm filming, you know. I'm trying to just get on top of my energy levels at the moment. You know, I'm balancing lots of things all at once, in terms of like a 9 to 5, being an independent musician, being a freelance model, being a digital content creator, being a human being. It's a lot. It's a lot, and I know these are things I've chosen to do, which I love, but it's a lot, you know. Like being an independent musician, that's like being a singer, being a songwriter, being your own manager. Being a freelance model, I basically manage all my modeling stuff, book my own photo shoots, style myself sometimes. do my own makeup all the time. I go to my 9 to 5. Being a digital content creator, I create, edit, post my own videos. I need a break, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I enjoy it, but also I'm not a robot. Looking after my plants, basically a way of showing myself self-love as well, self-care, because I just catch up on things that I haven't had time to do during the week. But yeah, I found that allocating a day to do laundry, your bedding, it's so nice, especially because you've got the next day to like enjoy it. Other than that, I'm just chilling, giving myself some well-intended rest before my birthday. I'm turning 23. I'm really excited for that. I haven't actually got my birthday dress yet because I thought I did. I'm gonna return that dress today. It just wasn't the right fit. Right now, I'm trying to really delve into like the fall vibes, lighting candles, do my skincare, having nice baths and stuff like that. I feel like you need to change with the seasons. That's what I didn't do last year. I'm very much my life feels so good, especially in the summer person, and then hibernates in the winter. She's looking a lot better so far. I went to Switzerland in the summer for 4 days. That was so much fun. I didn't vlog because I really wanted to live in the moment, but it was literally the best time. We're eating cheese every day. I was practicing a lot of French. I actually studied French in school for 2 years for GCSE. Where we were staying in Switzerland is Montreux, and that is northeast of Geneva, so it was beautiful there. So pretty. People were speaking all types of different languages, but mainly I had a lot of French around me. I was practicing my French with my friend who we were staying with, and I immersed myself in a different environment, like a French speaking environment, and the French came back to me. Colgate, Total. Sometimes I feel like when you're watching YouTubers and stuff, people really romanticize their life, but to be honest with you, I've woken up, I've got caca in my eyes, and brush my teeth.